Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So I suggest to use an old toothbrush which I'll no longer use. This is the best tool to clean your USB connector. So insert the one part of the brush into the connector and then just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.